Hi there, this is Flyer, and today I'm going to introduce my MSP project to you. That is Lulu, an assistant chatbot. So in general, I think chatbot is created to achieve the realistic simulation of how a human would behave as a conversational partner and to help answer and resolve users' questions. As chatbot reduce manpower and material costs for enterprises, it was estimated that the global chatbot market size is expected to grow to $15.7 billion by 2024. There's no doubt that chatbots are becoming a necessity for most online products that offer a mass of services like payments and processing. However, from the high demand of use cases like getting detailed answers or explanations in a diagram of predicted usages, we could learn that chatbots are moving from the simple user-based queries to more advanced and complex real-time conversations. These trends all require that a chatbot should be able to drive a good conversational experience that mimic the human assistant maximally. As I'm interested in the way we deliver and receive information, and as a student, I always need to dig varieties of academic information on the internet. So I decided to discover whether the existing system of the intelligent assistant like Siri could organize a humanist conversation and give out supportive information based on availability of semantic and sentimental understanding. So I'm thinking of the current main ways we get information from the internet that are typing the keywords in the searching engine and asking all the questions to a voice chatbot. Let's take the sample of Siri. In my observation, compared with traditional search engine like Google, though it has a different importing channel, Siri actually provides a similar information structure to the users. That is the huge columns of results, which means that users still need time to find the answer while browsing the wordy text. Another frustration is that the chatbot can hardly understand the connections between two relevant requirements. These are obviously inefficient for human assistant. In order to collect feedback about chatbot users using conditions, I distributed an online questionnaire and received 124 feedbacks. As you can see from the pie, only 14% of the users prefer asking the chatbot for professional support, while other 78% people would like to have a talk with real men. This might be because a human assistant or tutor can always provide a more flexible and proper conversation. The lower chart shows that the top three frustrations of the chatbot users are impersonal and unnatural dialogue, low response to the miscommunication, and do not asking for clarification on complex questions, which would be my later design emphasis. As a result, my target user would be those who need a quick and easy access to get professional knowledge or information of serious topics. Thus, I could tell a more efficient chatbot application might be worth to develop. It should offer more accurate and understandable answer directly without let the user browsing the whole column. Also, it will organize more humanist and coherent conversation with mankind language. Based on that, I created the user flow which explains how the user communicate and interact with the chatbot. As you can see from the diagram, after user first sign the app, Lulu would immediately set up the first meeting that is basically to get to know with each other through some quick questions. Then comes to the home page. At the top of the interface, user could shift modes of holding screen to talk, free talking, or typing. Also can search the conversation record and change settings. When user asks Lulu a question, if she doesn't understand, she'll ask the user for a clarification and will locate the corresponding answer from the online resources when question is understood. Then the answer and its reference page and related resources will be given to user after crawling and self-analyzing the online text. Another function for Lulu is to recommend information like knowledge, news, and articles that might be users dish actively. Obviously, in this project, I have three scenarios to design. They are the first meeting, asking questions, and recommending. And the conversation and interface design will be the focus. For now, I just created the first scenario's conversation pack and demo. The black text shows that what Lulu would say, and the blue part indicates how the interface displays, and the pink one are the user's potential speech. At last, let's have a look at the demo of the first scenario.
Hi, my dear friend. Nice to have you here. This is Lulu.
Oh, sorry.
Hi, my dear friend. Nice to have you here. This is Lulu, your personal intelligent assistant. As your new partner, I'm able to help you finding and analyzing all kinds of online information. All you need to do is to ask me in where and in time. Would you mind telling me your name? I say it's Zai, is it?
No, it's Z.
Aha, it's Z, right?
Yes.
Great. In order to help you more efficiently, would you like to tell me more about yourself?
No problem.
Yeah, that's all. And later I'll develop the another two scenarios. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.